So how do you stop receiving unknown messages and video calls on WhatsApp? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can actually stop receiving unknown numbers and video calls messages. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, before we try to block the unknown callers on WhatsApp, you have to understand how they can message you in the first place. People can only contact you on WhatsApp if you have their number or if they have your number which you made it public. So I would just recommend you to keep your number as discreet as possible, because if people have your phone number, they will be able to text you, and if there is a scammer or a scam call center trying to contact you, that could also be other reason why. However, in this video I will walk you through some of the process that can help you hide your privacy settings and then eventually also block some of the contacts. So first, just go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application over here and tap on the three dots on the top right and go to settings and go to privacy. Once you go to privacy, you can see the last seen status. So what I would recommend you to do is to just set your last seen to nobody so that no one else can see your last seen, and you can also see the online status. You can actually choose it as your last seen status. So you can just go ahead and select my contacts for last seen, and when you select same as last seen, even when you're online, only your contacts will be able to view it and not people who are not within a contact list. You can also select your profile photo and you can hide your profile photo. And after that, you can go to about section and you can also hide who can see your about section. Now you just want to come back, you can tap on status. You can also hide your status if you want to. You can turn off read receipts, which means you want to know if the other person has read your message or whether you have read someone else's message. They will also not be able to understand that. After that, you can just come back, and this is the most basic things you can do. Or else what I would recommend you to do is to, let's say that there is a spam caller on your WhatsApp list, and you can just tap on it to go to their profile, tap on the three dots or anywhere else, or scroll down to the bottom and select the option called block. It will ask you for a confirmation reason for blocking. You can select didn't sign up or spam or anything else, and you can just go ahead and then do that in that way. But keep in mind that there is not a way to actually completely block contacts, because if someone has their number, they will eventually be able to contact you. Hopefully this video helped answer your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.